I've got everything split up into separate buckets. The turtles, when I had some baby potties a while back, this is what I kept in it. It's a little tiny crate.
I don't know which one. This would be really, really cool.
Oh, see? Yeah, he's in there. He's in there. I was trying not to get bit. Oh! He bit me in the finger. So last video, there was over 2,000 comments naming this pufferfish. He's so freaking cool. Flipper, he's swimming. Today's video is sponsored by our favorite, API. As you know, I've been working with API for many, many years now, owning all these ponds and aquariums, of course, around this entire building. Well, API has got you covered from pretty much head to toe. API has been in the industry for nearly 60 years, developing and perfecting products for your aquariums and ponds. They carry just about everything from test kits, water conditioners, fish medications, and even nutritional products. This is Aqua Essential. It is your all-in-one concentrated pond water conditioner. Now, not only that, as you can see right here, detoxifies ammonia, nitrate, and nitrate, removes chlorine, chloramine, and heavy metals. Good for freshwater ponds. So let's just happen to say this is a freshwater pond right now. As I am filling this pond up, right, this would be the perfect time to add your Aqua Essential. Keep in mind they have stress coat, ammo lock, and so many more different things. And if you're wondering what any of those are, it's as simple as this. They'll tell you the benefits, when to use them, and that goes for pretty much anything. Here is Pond and Waterfall Cleaner. On the back, she gives you all the information you'll ever need. And since this is just a test fill to make sure we're not gonna have any more leaks inside these windows, you never can really have enough of this stuff, so just dose your pond. Right here it says on the front, add 50 milliliters per 100 gallons. Again, like I said, you literally can never have enough of this stuff. Pour it in, and now your water is fish safe. I've used this in the front pond a lot when we were first starting up the koi pond in the front. Right now, that's obviously in renovation. Go check out the links for API down in the description down below, and if you go to any local pet store, fish store, whatever it may be, they have it there as well. Top links in the description. Thank you so much, API, for sponsoring today's video. As you can see, I love their products. Enjoy the rest of this video. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today is one of those days where we hang out at the farm and we get a bunch of stuff done. Oh, you're fogging up. It's very humid out here. And we get a bunch of stuff done that we've needed to get done for a very long time. To start off, Hector was here yesterday and we installed this fence from here all the way to here. And this fence was installed strictly to keep the pigs, or if anything ever got out, from going to the front and fully getting out and escaping. So let's say Gary was to get over that fence and that's how he's gone. He wouldn't have been able to get any further than outside of that fence. I also wanted to do it so that I could eventually let these emus right here just completely roam the property. Now that's the first thing we did. I gotta catch you up to speed because today we're getting a lot done. Inside the fish building, I have completely remodeled Cornelius's home. This looks incredible. We did a big old water change right here. As you can see, fish are stoked. Our Mata turtle is hiding in this corner. He goes back and forth between there and there. This looks absolutely incredible. New plants. All these plants are actually indoor plants as well. I got some vines here that are gonna start growing like into the water and around there. We got two big palm fronds that'll kind of just start growing and hanging over. And inside this bucket right here is Cornelius. There's a 5-gallon bucket sideways. He somehow found his way literally into that. He dug that himself. I put that 5-gallon there to kind of fill up the space so I didn't have to use so much mulch. He found that and he is now inside there. Oh, see? Yeah, he's in there. He's in there. I was trying not to get bit. Oh! He bit me in the finger. Cornelius, take it easy on me, dude. Like, back off, man. I'll get you a freaking mouse right now. Holy smokes, he bit my finger. All right. Got a mouse. I got a mouse to go. We're gonna defrost this guy so I can feed him. He's obviously hungry. I gave him 2 of these yesterday. Spoiled frog. While I defrost this mouse though, I'm gonna throw you back to yesterday where I totally remodeled this entire 120-gallon turtle pond.
I don't know which one. This would be really, really cool.
There's this glossy finish too, but I'm really thinking something like this.
I'm hoping the width of the tank is literally this wide because that would save me a lot of time and effort if I could just slip this right in. It's a pretty cool color, nice and light. I'll get 4 of them.
Let's see how that does.
2. Oh, hopefully that didn't break.
I've got everything split up into separate buckets. The turtles, all of our little fish, and this pied tilapia. And inside here, a little surprise we had was our 2 platies, our male and female, had a bunch of babies, and I managed to net all of them out with a little net. But there is like hundreds of these little things right there. That's mom and dad in there with them. So We're emptying this out right now, cleaning it out, and then these tiles are just gonna slip in, and they somehow fit almost perfectly, but pretty much just perfectly, like that. And those will go along the whole thing. The real question is, will the last one fit perfectly? Would that be a miracle or what? Oh my gosh, there's no way. Wow.
Suction.
Just about. I mean, yeah, that is epic. So much better. Here we go. All the turtles go back home. It'll take a little bit to clean up all this little excess stuff, but for the most part, all new. There you go. Indian spotted. A little musk turtle, albino. Yellow belly, look at the colors on that. See you guys. And of course, now the fish. Last one. Oh, you're a little fast one, aren't you? Oh, 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 oh. There we go. Got all the babies right here. I'm gonna put, actually, you know what? I got the mom. There you go. Feel free to roam. I got the dad, or vice versa. This is probably the mom. Holy smoke, she's probably pregnant again. She is. That's the mom. And now check this out. Little invention idea thing I had. Well, this is not my invention. When I had some baby platies a while back, this is what I kept in it. It's a little tiny crate that has mesh, so they're tight. This is up in there. It cannot move. Look at that. Cannot move at all. The babies are all gonna be poured right into that, and we can watch them grow instead of them get eaten or sucked into the filter. It's much better off this way. No babies left. Check that out. All the baby platies hanging out right in there. It's so cool. Oh yeah, look at them all. That's so crazy. And they still get that nice flow through it and everything. Sweet. And then over here, we did all the landscaping. Now today, look at this pond. I mean, does it get any better than this? These tiles were probably the best thing I've ever done. Our Indian spotteds just look so incredibly good. Obviously, look at, I just put some flakes in there, but look at all of our little tiny platies that we can now grow. These are gonna get so nice and big. All of our tetras are just kind of swimming around, schooling up. It looks amazing. It looks better than it's ever looked before. I stuck some plants in the foam over here. I mean, that is just incredible. So between this and this both getting redone, this is what the turtle corner is looking like as of right now. Now I need to do a water change on Megamind's tank today. Not only that, I want to move all of these fish right here. This tank that's kind of cluttered in the back of this. I want to move this tank that has all of our beautiful fish, our arowana, gar. I want to move that tank right there, pick it up, boop, and put it over there. And not only that, I want to paint this gray right here. I want to paint it this color brown right here. That way it kind of matches in with all the turtle vibe. Because Fly River turtle, he should be over here, not tucked away in the corner over there. Now for the fish, the arowana and stuff like that, they're gonna go into the big old tank over here. This tank's about 80 gallons. I'm not gonna put them in right now, but at some point down the road when we get our little axolotl here, his own aquarium, I will put all those fish straight on into here. Yes, that will leave the Fly River to have his very own aquarium. Now, whether I leave the Bisher with him or not, they're literally best friends. They're always together, both hanging out on the bottom at all times. That's up to the future, but Fly River will have his own tank at some point. Maybe not this video, of course, but down the road, and that'll be right there. We have our beautiful parrot tilapia in here that a stranger actually picked out for us. That was a really cool video on the channel. And one of our axolotls. The other two axolotls, I walked in the night after I did a water change. The normal axolotl and the leucistic weren't looking good at all. So I brought them over to Tommy, and unfortunately, we could not save them. For some weird reason, those two got affected, and this one did a little bit too. But after I did a big old water change, thankfully this one actually was good enough to stay and survived. I swear to you, it's always something, especially owning so much here. I know how much you guys love the axolotls, just something I hadn't made a video to come across to yet. Obviously, now I'm talking about it. But we still got the one, and this tank is doing amazing now. This tank has juju on it though, I'm not gonna lie. Remember when we made the arowana video, we were sitting here playing pool and all of a sudden the arowana just flipped over. Something's got bad juju on this tank right here. This something bad right there, I don't know. It's looking good, the tank is looking amazing. I got a big shop vac for the pond, taking the last bit of water out. So it's definitely an at-home type of day, getting a lot of stuff around the farm done. First things first, we need to feed Cornelius, and then it's on to a bunch of projects. Time to feed Cornelius, except for it doesn't take long. It's just kind of hanging a rat in a dark space, and then it just gets clapped. Oh, it's gone. He ate it. It's just like that, it's gone. He doesn't come out of his dungeon. I'm gonna have to get him out of there eventually. Or should I leave him? Before we get any further, let's check up on the saltwater tank. We bought 41 corals and a puffer fish last video. I think it's only right we check up on it. All the new corals are doing absolutely amazing. Spread out all over these rocks. They're gonna be sick when they grow. The saltwater aquarium, it is looking fantastic. I just threw some food in. Everything is eating right now. Where's the puffer fish? Got our chalk bass down here, which are beautiful. Foxface, clownfish, gem tang in the back. Oh, there's our puffer fish. He's eating. He's eating a little shrimp right now. There he goes. So last video, there was over 2,000 comments naming this pufferfish. I've been going through a lot of them. Excuse me. We obviously know the name and the answer. Top comment, and at this time has 540 likes. Tommy the pufferfish. Tommy is my great friend who maintains most of this tank. He also glued all the 41 corals that we got in last video. He did a lot in the video that included the pufferfish being bought, so people thought it was only fair to name it Tommy. There was a lot of good names like Puff Daddy and Daddy Puff. Cuffer, which was a good one. I saw that one. That was 125 likes. But maybe we'll get another pufferfish in the future and we'll go back to these comments. Tommy is the name of this one. There he is. Tommy's got a fat old stomach. He just ate a bunch of shrimp. Now what we can do is go in the comments down below and drop a bunch of nicknames. Tom, Puffer Tom, Tom Puff. A lot of nicknames that'll be going down on that one. Anyway, saltwater aquarium looks absolutely fantastic. It is the next day. I went ahead to start off the day with doing a water change on the flower horn tank. Oh yeah. There we go. Water change, buddy, water change. You are so pretty. Holy smokes. I love doing water changes. I don't know, it's like therapy. I don't know if that's the same thing for anyone else. All of this stuff, literally everything in here is stressful, but also like therapy at the same time. It's a weird thing. I think anyone in the hobby could definitely relate. All my little now you're gonna run from me, huh? Where are you going? All the turtles are eating. And same with all the little platies. They ran from me the second I turned the camera on too, but they're eating now. My goal and project for today is getting this tank with all the fish in it right here, on over to here, and painting it, and it's gonna be fun. You know we always make everything fun. If you guys like these at-home vlogs, please let me know. I'll do more of them. A lot of the stuff that I'm doing in today's video, I typically wouldn't film. I just do it, and then you guys have seen me before. I just pop it up in the next video. I'm like, hey, this happened. But I decided for this video, I'm literally just gonna film a couple days worth at the farm and make it one mashed up banger. So smash the like button if you want to see more of this stuff. Almost done with this water change right here, and then we're moving on to moving this aquarium with all our monster fish. We are emptying out the water right now. All these fish are going to go into a container for now. Need a container? That would probably help. Well, we got a container. It's a big old cooler, and we are putting all of the fish into that. We're actually going to be able to hold our fly river. Fly river, we haven't held this little guy and seen how big he's gotten in a while. He's so freaking cool. Flipper, he's swimming. Look at him. Woo! Arowana's getting big too. Look at that. Arowana's getting big. Gotta close this because he will jump. It's a massive ball of shark. All the fish inside the cooler. Now we can officially get to move in the tank, which is gonna require us getting this off first, then the bottom piece moving, and then the top goes back on. Let's do that. That baby girl is officially moved. Now we fill this back up, won't take long. Filter has all the beneficial bacteria it needs inside there. Left a little bit of water in there too. I'm gonna clip these filters back on and get our fish back in. Now obviously I still need to paint the tank itself. I need to paint that color right there. But the tank is in position. It is no longer on the other side, it's sitting right there. We're gonna put a bunch of PC fan art right around it. The P.O. box in the description down below if you wanna send any. That's where the tank used to be, no longer, now is here. And I couldn't be happier with this because this is exactly where I've always wanted it. I don't know why I ever put it over there. It's time though, we have nice warm water, filters running. Inside here is all of our fish and a turtle. My goodness. Look at that thing. So dope. Big old arowana back in the tank. We're gonna go with Mr. Flipper.
Easy one.
Oh, easy one. He's crazy when he gets out of the water. There you go, buddy. See you later. Same tank you were in. Oh my God! Holy smokes. Well, that might have been the greatest fish transfer I've ever seen in my life. That couldn't have went any better. He shot right out of the bucket. I'm gonna turn the light off. Now I've got the paint. This is the brown paint, and it's time to change this color into that. So much better, like so much better. That compared to that, it matches everything over here. Hector is over here doing a project that you will probably see in an upcoming video, so make sure you're subscribed down below. All the pigs are eating, of course, right guys? Everyone is eating their little snack for the afternoon. All the goats are on high alert right now because that trailer just made that noise. So they all just stand here like they have no idea what's going on, as you can see. Thank you all so much for watching every single one of these videos. I appreciate you. Without you, I wouldn't even have any of this. Smash the like button, and I'll see you right back here in the next video. Camera's fogging up again. Peace.